Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. The Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic and the license plate bracket, front. Call 910-798-2727 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.